How do you change the layout of your Gmail account on the desktop? Google gives us a variety of different options for organizing how our information appears inside of Gmail. The standard or default configuration includes multiple inboxes. This is where Google will automatically sort your email into your forums, updates, promotions, social, and your primary inbox, which should theoretically contain your most important emails. You can adjust all of these settings under the Gear menu. Within the Gear menu, you can set the density, which is how much information appears on any single page. You can also adjust the inbox type. Now, this is where you go if you want to turn off any of these default inboxes. You click on Customize, and there you can turn on and off the different inboxes you want to have. So if, for example, you don't want forums, check that off, save it, and now the Forums tab will disappear and you have more space for the other inboxes in your account. Continuing on, you can also choose what type of reading pane you want. The default is set with no split. In other words, you can only see the email sender and the email subject. If you want to have a reading pane included, you can set it to the right or left of the inbox. That way you can preview any email that is sent to you in that preview pane. A lot of people like to be able to see the email without actually opening the email. That's where the preview pane comes in very useful. Also, it's very useful if you have a larger monitor. It doesn't work too well with smaller monitors. And finally, you can also choose how Gmail sorts your email, sorting what it considers to be the important email messages first, the unread ones first, any that you have starred first, or to create a priority inbox. The priority inbox sorts the email based on Google's experience of what is the most important email and moves that to the top of your folder regardless of the date it was sent or who it's from or any of the other criteria. Adjusting the layout of your Gmail account is just that easy. I hope that helped and we answered your question. If we did, a like would be greatly appreciated. Check out our other videos, and if there are questions you have that aren't answered by them, please share those thoughts in YouTube comments and we'll do our best to create a video on that topic in the future. Till next time, I'm Steve Dotto. Have fun storming a castle.